When it comes to direct sales and network marketing, there's no secret success formula, but after being in the industry for over 9 years, I definitely can identify many similarities when it comes to watching and interviewing those consultants that reach success. Their habits are all the same. Habits are important, and that's the key word, habit. Habits and being consistent can literally decide whether you're going to succeed through the hard times and adversity, because you're going to face it, or if you're going to just quit at the first bump in the road, or every bump in the road, because there's going to be plenty of bumps. Take a look at some of the habits that I'm going to share now with you. And this is after being watching the best people in the industry. They've all had goals year after year. So today I'm not going to share 10, but a whopping 20 with you all. So number 1, get up early. I've always dreamed about being a morning person. I truly love the way I feel when you get up early, but I still love my bed. I work from home and now I'm in that habit of just enjoying my bed. But there is a reason I love now getting up. This is a quick tip. So if you're not a morning person like what I wasn't, it's time to learn how to become one. Getting up that little bit earlier, even just 10 minutes, allows you to get things done. So you need to get up and set your day right ahead for success. No more work until the early hours or into the late nights. That's, you've got scheduling to do that for you. So go to bed early, wake up refreshed with the rest of the successful men and women out there. So if you need some help in getting that habit under control like I did, read The Miracle Morning from Hal Elrod. You can get it on, Kindle, paperback. And it really did change my business, especially for mindset. Number 2 is meditate. And I found that, again, so hard to do. But everyone kept saying it, try it. And you'll see that a lot of successful people all over the world do it. So if Tony Robbins and Oprah were doing it, I started to take it a little bit more seriously. So just clearing your mind and taking time to breathe when days can get away from you is one of the best ways to stay focused and accomplish what you need to do. Just take 5 minutes out. There's tons of great meditation videos on YouTube. Type it in and pick the best one for you. Now, number 3 is set goals and write them down. Things that are measured are improved. And it really is true. Writing them down, you are not going to forget them. In order to accomplish your goals, you need to be clear about what they are. I was never a write your goals down type of person. Most people aren't. But once I started doing this and creating vision boards, there's just something inside the person that makes us want to cross off them steps off the list. Take time to set your daily, weekly, monthly, and even long-term goals. This is one of the most important steps in your business. You've got to write those goals down. You need to have goals and create a vision board for your future. Or create a vision board just for your business. When you do this, what you want to achieve becomes something real instead of just a thought in your head. So visualize it, picture it, and get it on that board. Why not join my online vision board course? I also have a Facebook group that we discuss all this sort of stuff in as well. And it'll really help you plan and set those goals. Number 4 is inspire yourself. Personal development and inspiration is a must. Whether you choose to read, exercise and listen to podcasts, watch videos or find a coach or mentor, you must find an outside resource that inspires you. So when you're inspired, you can create and keep your business moving forward. And number 5 is ABC. Always be learning. There's no explanation here. Online training courses, webinars, books, always be learning something new every day. Learn your craft and be ready to pass those skills downline to your team or share them online in blog posts or live streams just like this one. And number 6 is read. Anything and everything, articles, books, news stories, pages, just 10 pages a night is all you need to do. This is what other professionals do. The same for like doctors and, learning a skill. Network marketing is no different. So you need to do that. Number 7 is know your numbers. You must know where you are. Know where you are last year. Know where you want to be. If you don't know where you are in your business, when it comes to income, expenses and profit, you can't possibly manage your business. If your company has a back office, access it daily. Write down your daily numbers and compare them to last year. I do this all the time. On top of that, have a budget. Know what you are spending on everything. I got diaries that go back years, and I can simply flick over to them and see, monthly and annually how my business has grown. And you must be moving forwards, not backwards. Tracking your month lets you adjust in the areas that needs the most work. So try it. And number 8 is journal. Again, I could never keep up with journaling until I listened to Oprah, and she said, keep it simple. If you can't write down your complete thoughts, at least log your thank you items. And this just made a huge difference to my mindset. Capturing what I am thankful for on a daily basis keeps the positivity in and the negativity out. What we focus on, we create. Focusing on gratitude has really started bringing amazing things and people into my life, which takes me on to the next point. Number 9 is practice gratitude. Beyond putting gratitude in your journal once a day, simply practice being grateful for everything in your life. Think about daily what you're grateful for. When you get into the habit of thinking about gratitude, you open your mind for so much more abundance. What you are grateful for today, let me know in the comments. It's time to start to give daily thanks. So drop them below what you are grateful for. And number 10, delegate. This can be a tough one for people. We sometimes think that no one can do the things as well as what we can do. But truth is, when we take on everything, we end up accomplishing a lot less than what we could have. We can't do it all. Whether it's, from automated tasks that can, or you can outsource to other people. When business owners try, they usually fail. Surround yourself with people who are willing to help and find tools to make your daily tasks easier. I've used a ton of tools and systems to help me do this. And when you've got a team of over 3,000 consultants, you need to have systems, and I love automation. Number 11 is be a good listener. This is a huge one because so many of us run our businesses online, we tend not to read things thoroughly, or we just don't pay attention. When in person, we are already thinking about what we want to say rather than listening. So whether it's your customers, your team, your upline, head office, or your downline, listen to what's being said or written. Validate what the other person is saying, and take the ideas and concerns on and show them that they are important to you. Other people and their suggestions could be one of the most valuable things in growing your business. Number 12 is have a hobby. Yes, some things besides your network marketing business or your direct sales business, you need to have something that matters to you. You need to step away, find something that makes you smile. Even for an hour a day, you have to have that hobby. Exercising, dancing, swimming, gardening, crafting, organising, whatever it is, step away, relax. I love making manifesting bath crystals, moon candles, reading the oracle cards and tarot cards. So having a hobby will help you be more focused and come up with an even better idea for your business. And trust me, I learned the hard way. A few years ago, I got burnout because I never stepped away from my business, and I continue to do things I needn't have been doing, especially for other people, that they could have been doing themselves. So step away, have a break, and check out the next point, which is take time for yourself. Schedule some you time. I often sit outside in the garden with my phone and without my phone and just the dogs, and I just reflect on the day, the morning. And these days, we've got they're good for your business. You've got to disconnect. Number 14, follow a schedule. If it's not on the calendar, it doesn't exist, and it's very, very true. Get into the habit of putting everything on your schedule so you don't get overwhelmed. I use Google Calendar for everything. One of my favourite apps is Fantastical, and it syncs your Google Calendar, and I just love how user-friendly it is on the phone. Number 15 is be organised. I love to be organised. I know many struggle with this, and they often say, but I know where everything is. However, if you want to be taken seriously, the first step is having a place to go where your systems are in order. It's crucial, especially when your team starts to grow. Create a place for everything to go. And if you haven't used something in 6 months, throw it out. Just get rid of it. Same for your cupboards. You'll find you will jump out of bed knowing that you are organised and your workspace is ready for you. And number 16 is develop a routine. This is an essential habit. You should have, if you want to be successful, creating a schedule of what you need to do every day and follow it. Know what time you get up, what is on your to-do list, especially top 3 things that you want to do for the day. You know your numbers, what time you've got team members, what time you've got one-to-ones, what time your parties are, and know what days you're doing what you're doing. And it only takes 21 days to form a habit. So I wake up at 7, have a cuppa, review my calendar, do my to-do list, and maybe I did something on from yesterday. So comment below a list if you want to know about my little goal setting book as well. I've got a to-do list, I've got my goal setting list books. Comment below. So what else I do is I'll walk the dogs, and I don't start work till later on, and that's my choice, because my non-negotiables are relaxing, catching up, and getting some fresh air, and then I will start to work. And once you develop a routine and your non-negotiables, what you accomplish every day increases by a mile. And number 17 is inbox zero. Don't fall prey to the email hell. Do not let email control you. Use tools like unroll.me and get rid of them. Number 18 is ask for help. Reach out to those you trust when you need help. People can't help you if you don't know that you need help, and we all need help at some times. So don't be too proud to ask for help. Surround yourself with people who want to see you succeed. Number 19 is have a mentor or coach. This is a habit you cannot skip. I'm not talking about your sponsor or your upline. I'm sure they are great, but you need someone that is going to push you out of your comfort zone and motivate you when you need it. They've got to be there to help inspire you. I mean, you can only motivate yourself and kick your own backside, but you need somebody who's going to help you. So think about joining a monthly mastermind like I did. I'm in Ray Higdon's Rank Makers, super affordable coaching group with daily challenges to help push me further. And you get the daily lives as well. And as I was talking about, you can get a kick up the jacksie as well. I'm also part of an attraction marketing business ladies group just for women in business. You won't find a single successful business owner that did not have a mentor or a group, or was in a monthly mastermind, or is maybe having one-to-one sessions to help them get where they are. It's a fact. So don't skip out there. You can't afford not to have a coach. Make that investment, or why not even look into having a power hour with me? Drop mentor in the comments and I'll send you some information on that as well. And now, last but not least, number 20, it's a biggie. It's a biggie. Be positive. Be positive. When you constantly work your business as a victim and your cup is always being half empty, you will project this attitude onto your customers and more so your team. What you think about, you bring about. Keep that in mind and always pay close attention to your thoughts on a daily basis. You choose how successful you want your business, specifically with how positive you are. It's all about your mindset. And that's it. There's 20 habits for highly successful network marketers and direct sales consultants. So save this, share the article, and use it as a checklist. Put all of these points into action and watch how your own business can transform. So I'd love to help you get where you get started as well. If you've never done network marketing before, let me know, drop me a message, and check out some information on how I can help you start your own business using social media, and you can finally determine where your future can take you. So save those tips. If you've got any questions or any tips to share, let me know in the comments below. I love questions, and I'll see you on the next training.